4132. The presence of standing lenticular altocumulus clouds is a good indication of A. A jet stream. B. Very strong turbulence. C. Heavy icing conditions. The correct answer is B. Standing lenticular altocumulus clouds are shaped on the peaks of waves made by obstructions to the wind stream. The clouds appear small development, consequently the title standing. Be that as it may, wind can be very solid blowing through such clouds. The nearness of these clouds is a great sign of exceptionally solid turbulence, and they should be maintained a strategic distance from. 4149. Fair weather cumulus clouds often indicate A. Turbulence at and below the cloud level. B. Poor visibility. C. Smooth flying conditions. The correct answer is A. Reasonable climate cumulus clouds regularly show bumpy turbulence underneath and within the clouds, but great perceivability. The cloud tops show the inexact upper constraint of convection. Flight over is ordinarily smooth. 4163. Fog is usually prevalent in industrial areas because of A. Atmospheric stabilization around cities. B. An abundance of condensation nuclei from combustion products. C. Increased temperatures due to industrial heating. The correct answer is B. Fog is usually prevalent in industrial areas primarily because of an abundance of condensation nuclei from combustion products. Industrial activities, such as manufacturing processes and combustion from power plants or factories, release various pollutants and particles into the atmosphere. These particles act as condensation nuclei, providing surfaces for water vapor to condense upon and form fog droplets. Therefore, option B, an abundance of condensation nuclei from combustion products, is the main reason why fog is often observed in industrial areas. 4156. Under which condition does advection fog usually form? A. Moist air moving over colder ground. B. Warm, moist air settling over a cool or water surface under no wind conditions. C. A land breeze blowing a cold, warm water current. The correct answer is A. Advection fog usually forms under the condition of moist air moving over colder ground. Advection fog occurs when warm, moist air flows over a cooler surface, such as land or water. As the warm air comes into contact with the cooler surface, it cools down, and the moisture in the air condenses to form fog. Therefore, option A, moist air moving over colder ground, is the correct condition for the formation of advection fog. 4164. In which situation is advection fog most likely to form? A. An air mass moving inland from the coast in winter. B. A light breeze blowing colder air out to sea. C. Warm, moist air settling over a warmer surface under no wind conditions. The correct answer is A. Advection fog is most likely to form in situation A, which involves an air mass moving inland from the coast in winter. Advection fog occurs when warm, moist air moves over a colder surface. In this case, as the air mass moves inland from the coast, it encounters the colder land surface, causing the warm air to cool and the moisture in the air to condense, forming fog. Therefore, option A, an air mass moving inland from the coast in winter, is the most likely situation for the formation of advection fog.